Special Investigation Agency, remember, has arrested Pradeep Sharma, the former encounter specialist in the Antilia bomb scare case. As we speak, we keep up with the latest visuals we picked up of Pradeep Sharma, who is now being taken to the court after his medical checkup at the JJ hospital. This case now only exploding once again. In the center of the Wazigan investigation is Pradeep Sharma, who of course has been arrested in the wake of account of Santosh Shelar in the court, wherein he said that an arrest of Pradeep Sharma is what will take the investigation to the next level. There are several other aspects that are being looked at very, very carefully, but let's quickly tell you what has been going on since early this morning. Since 6 a.m. this morning, NI officials have been conducting searches at Pradeep Sharma's residence. The searches went on for almost 4 hours till about 10 a.m., following which his interrogation by the NI officials was taking place, and following which an official announcement of his arrest was made. Now he's being taken to the court, and the focus of the investigating agency at this point in time is to ask him if he was a part of the purported conversation where Sachin Waze asked Mansukh Hiren to take responsibility of planting the explosives. So at the center of this entire controversy now, after Sachin Waze, is his close aide and former encounter specialist Pradeep Sharma, whose residence was raided early this morning, and several other police officials, remember, who are believed to be a part of this nexus, are also under the scanner. Twice already, the NI has earlier on questioned Pradeep Sharma in this case, and for the third time, he was questioned today, following which he was arrested in connection with both the terror and the murder case. All of us know he's known to be a close aide of former Mumbai police cop Sachin Waze, who's been arrested by the central agency as the main conspirator in both the cases. He joined the Mumbai police as a sub-inspector, has been involved in over 300 encounters related to Mumbai, and now he is under the scanner. The NI questioning him has also arrested him. Now let's see how the story really plays out in the coming few days, because already you have Sachin Waze, who is at the center of this conspiracy, already lodged in Taloja jail, and now this crucial arrest has been made. Our team of reporters on Ground Zero have been reporting on each and every aspect in this story. 8 arrests in total have been made in this case so far, the 8th arrest being that of Pradeep Sharma, who has been taken to the court now. Yesha, my colleague, is also tracking those developments since early this morning. Yesha, what more are you picking up?
So that's right. As of now, what we know is that Pradeep Sharma has already been taken to the JJ hospital for his medical, and he'll be produced before the special NIA court. And the NIA would ask for his custody for approximately 10 days is what we understand, because the questioning would go on because Santosh Shelar, who was arrested 2 days back, happened to mention Pradeep Sharma's name. Pradeep Sharma's name was also mentioned by Sachin Waze as well earlier. So now these two cases, which include the Antela bomb scare case and the Mansukh Hiren death case, is for which Pradeep Sharma would be questioned. On the other hand, the links are also trying to be connected to the Lakhan Bhaiya encounter case. So now these are 3 cases for which Pradeep Sharma would be questioned, and because already the people who've mentioned his names are in custody, the questioning would go on those links. Now, what is important to understand is that Pradeep Sharma, it's been said by NIA sources that Pradeep Sharma was picked up early this morning from his farmhouse at the Ambi Valley, and as a result of which there was another parallel raid that was being conducted. Another parallel raid was being conducted at his Andheri residence, his Mumbai residence. So what we see is NIA was all prepared to conduct this raid as well as get the detention for Pradeep Sharma, because we saw rapid developments happening this morning, wherein approximately at 1:30 was when NIA announced that Pradeep Sharma's arrest has taken place, and as a result of which he's now been taken for medical. Now his role is pretty crucial, because Sachin Waze, who was considered to be the key accused in this entire Antela bomb scare case as well as in the Mansukh Hiren death case, was arrested, and as a result of which we also saw Pradeep Sharma being questioned twice by NIA. Following which today he's been arrested. Now people close to Sachin Waze, be it Pradeep Sharma or Riaz Qazi, are all in the custody of NIA. There are 8 arrests which have taken place so far in this case. So what we understand is there'll be questioning happening to these people because it was also said that Pradeep Sharma had met Sachin Waze 2 days before Mansukh Hiren's death. Now we understand that there could be a role of Pradeep Sharma, which is why NIA has arrested Pradeep Sharma in this particular case, because it was a known fact that both these encounter specialists, be it Sachin Waze or Pradeep Sharma, they were close associates, and as a result of which, if they've met 2 days before, then NIA would try to understand this role, as a result of which NIA would ask for further custody of Pradeep Sharma in that case. And now we understand that there are 2 people who are already in NIA's custody. There are 2 more people who have been arrested from Mumbai, as a result of which NIA is trying to join these dots, basically, if we understand in that case, and as a result of which they would understand what the role of Pradeep Sharma was. How did he aid Sachin Waze? Because already 2 people who are in the custody of NIA were instrumental in getting the gelatin sticks which were kept outside Mukesh Ambani's Antilla residence in the end of February. And it is Sachin Waze whose role is being understood in this entire case, because there was a recreation also that took place wherein Sachin Waze was made to understand, wherein the NIA was trying to understand Sachin Waze's role and whether he was the one who was instrumental in keeping the green SUV near the Antilla residence. So there are several such details which came out earlier, and as a result of which now, as we understand that Pradeep Sharma has been arrested, it's a huge development, because both these people were once considered to be the encounter specialist for the Mumbai police, and now that Pradeep Sharma has been arrested, there can be more such details that can come out. Yes.
Yasha, stay on with us. Priyanka is also joining us on the broadcast. Priyanka, this is Suesha. And one thing is very clear from the developments that have happened so far, that the agency must have concrete evidence against Pradeep Sharma, considering the raids how were conducted and the way he's been questioned, of the evidence that they may have gathered, the material that they have seized, and even interrogation with Sachin Waze and all that he may have revealed is certainly indicating towards one fact that they have some strong evidence against Pradeep Sharma. What is your opinion on this, Priyanka? And Priyanka, before I get that answer from you, breaking details here flashing on our screens. Pradeep Sharma has just been presented in the court. As Yasha was also telling us that the NIA may seek custody. What more are you picking up from your sources?
Well, yes, Suesha, as Pradeep Sharma is now being presented in the NIA court, what we are getting from our sources, from the NIA officers themselves, is that they had a clincher of an evidence, in fact, to get Pradeep Sharma into custody as well. We're being told that the SIM cards that were at the epicenter of trying to track down the location of all the people involved in this entire matter, that one of those SIM cards that had actually been procured from Gujarat had been used by Pradeep Sharma on the days of March 3rd, 4th and 5th. And all these times, this number was being used by Pradeep Sharma to contact Shelar as well, who is actually right now in the custody of NIA. Through these 3 days, he was in constant communication with Shelar as well, is what the NIA sources are also telling us. And that over internet calling is how Pradeep Sharma had been connected to these people as well. And the NIA sources are also telling us that these people who had been hired to allegedly murder Mansukh Hiren as well had been close counterparts of Pradeep Sharma in earlier cases as well, when Pradeep Sharma had been a top cop of Mumbai. And in fact, they were also related to the Lakhanbhai encounter case, as we had earlier been talking about this as well. Several of these people, in fact, had been in constant communication with Pradeep Sharma, used to work for him for something or the other with whatever he had wanted, and now they are the close counterparts of Pradeep Sharma, who had been carrying out his instructions in this entire Mansukh Hiren death conspiracy case, is what the NIA officers are also telling us. Now, of course, these are running theories that the NIA officers are working on, and they have concrete evidence to indicate these things. But of course, a further and deeper investigation will really reveal how much Pradeep Sharma had been involved in it, how much Pradeep Sharma had been giving instructions right from the Antilla bomb scare case to the Mansukh Mansukh Hiren death conspiracy as well. So all of these things will be interrogated upon, will be investigated upon as and when Pradeep Sharma is taken into custody further as well. Now, apart from that, they're also looking at the entire nexus that had been involved in this entire matter, not just the Mansukh Hiren murder conspiracy, but also why this Antilia bomb scare case, bomb scare had actually taken place, who was the mastermind behind this entire thing, whether or not the buck really stops with only Pradeep Sharma, or whether or not, because Pradeep Sharma is a very politically connected person as well, they are also looking into those links as well. So all of that will be investigated upon, and what we've been given to understand is that apart from Shelar and Jadhav, who had been arrested a couple of days back, now 2 more people have also been taken into custody as well from the Mumbai area of Mumbai,
Right.
who had been in constant communication
Right.
with Pradeep Sharma on the days of March 3rd, 4th and 5th, when the entire murder had actually taken place.
Yes, Priyanka, stay on with us. I want to go back to Yasha because Yasha, like Priyanka is also saying, one thing is very clear that basically they were all hand in glove. They were working in cahoots with each other, and which is why each one's role now becomes very important, is what the NIA is trying to get into the depth of. But right now, Yasha, that Pradeep Sharma has been presented in the court, what exactly is the NIA strategy going to be to ensure his custody?
That's right. So NIA, considering the fact that NIA has picked up these evidences from Pradeep Sharma's residence early this morning, NIA would ask for his custody because considering that it was Shelar who had himself mentioned in front of the magistrate earlier as well, wherein he had said that it should be Pradeep Sharma who should be questioned in this entire case, and as a result of which these would be an important, crucial evidences that can be put forth by the NIA when it comes to seek the custody of Pradeep Sharma, because considering that they have already, NIA has already got these evidences against Pradeep Sharma, it would be easier to get his custody for his further questioning. Now, on those lines, because it was earlier already been mentioned by various people who are already in NIA custody, that Pradeep Sharma's role needs to be understood in this entire larger conspiracy, be it the Antela bomb scare case or, for that matter, the Mansukh Hiren death case. And in that context, NIA would be presenting these arguments before the court to understand and get his custody further. Now, it is not only, like Priyanka also mentioned, not only the Antela bomb scare case, but also the Lakhan Bhaiya encounter case, which is also being looked into by the NIA, and as a result of which what we understand is that these such evidences which have been picked up by NIA, because NIA officials, including Vikram Khalate, NIA SP Vikram Khalate, was looking after this case, was present at Pradeep Sharma's residence early this morning and has picked up several documents along with electronic evidences from Pradeep Sharma's residence, Andheri-based residence, and as a result of which these documents would play a crucial role as he's being produced before the court, because as we know, even as we speak, he's being produced before the court to understand and seek his further custody, and as a result of which we understand that this entire series that took place since this morning, the entire procedure that has taken place by the NIA since this morning, was to build up before the court to get his custody.
Yes. Yasha, we will stay on the top of this story, get our viewers all the latest updates as and when they come, and most importantly, what transpires in the court now. For the moment, we will also take in some other stories in brief, but come back to you in just a short while. Thank you, Yasha and Priyanka, for the moment.